see a big one, man. Fish on, guys. Oh, this is a big one. This is a good size one. Ooh, nice. Oh, man. Oh, no. Oh, no. Don't go in. Don't go in. Lucky I got the weight in there. Whoa, pull me dry. Pull me dry. Got him. Got him. Gotta get this thing out of the way first. Alright. Well, hopefully we get this thing. Alright. We're here, but the rain's actually pretty steady. So maybe it's a good fishing condition, but definitely not for me if I have to. See if I can figure out a way to cross to the other side. There, jump over. Okay, possible. All right, made it here first. Put my stuff down. Hopefully it doesn't get too wet. Okay, let's see if we can get something. Look at that! First cast! And we got the bass! Alright! Yes! First bass of 2024! In the books, guys! In the books! Whew. I'm surprised. I wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting that. Excellent. So happy. Alright, yeah. Yeah. And first buddy release of 2024. I didn't release any of the carps. So alright, that's actually not a big one, but I'm actually very happy. Alright guys, first bass of 2024 in the books. And first buddy release. Alright buddy, there you go. There he goes. Oh shoot. Oh yes, yes. First cast, first bass. Nice. That's what I was hoping for. Let's see if we can get another one. Reason? Because I have tennis elbow, so. Mm-hmm. Yeah. No. Maybe now that it's, I see the water level is pretty high, so for some reason I can't cast that far. There's no more. That was a fast, that's a fast I have to, I'm sorry. That was kind of weird, but okay, guess that was it. Weeds. I mean, my mom caught one, but I'm gonna let mine sink. No bobber. I'm just looking at the line. There we go. Fish on. Yep. Gotta teach them how it's done. Can't use the bobber at this time. Let me get my buddy release video. All right. Second fish. Another little buddy. All right, Gilly. There you go. Thank you. There we go. Another one. Ooh. My dad's like amazed. He's like, how are you getting all these fish? And I wasn't able to get any of them all this time. I'm like, well, you know, skills. All right. Third fish. Ooh, another one. I know they all look except for that release.